Hey everyone and welcome back to Miracle Websoft. In today's video, I will show you that how you can set up a customer winback email campaign using a Shopify flow and Shopify email. So you can bring back your lapsed customer and turn them into a repeat buyers. So first thing that come in mind that what is the winback campaign? A winback campaign target customers who haven't thought anything in a while. They liked your brand enough to buy once. So let's remind them why they should come back. So for that, you just need to set up your flow using the Shopify email. You just need to go to your warehouse, or I can say go to your admin panel of a Shopify, go to the app section, install Shopify email. After installing the Shopify email, scroll down, click on create automations. As you can see, there are different templates and email flow. For the automations, you just need to go to the Winback Customer and just click on Winback Customers. Click on Use Template, as it will provide a default template. You can edit that too as per your need. Like you can set up the flow by the custom, and if you want to send this email by multiple times, like for after the 2 days, 3 days, I want, and as I click on send email marketing, it will show the template. You can edit that template too as per your need. Like let me show that how you can edit it. You just need to click on edit email. As the template is available, you can change the subject, its text, and the design as per your need, that what you want to show or what you don't want to show. You can change every single text and the design of this template. After doing these all changes, you can add a discount code too as well. In case of this, if you want to apply any discount for the customers, like for the 10%, 20% as per your needs. And after doing all these changes, you just need to go to header and click on set to active. You can see as I have turned on the workflow, and you just need to turn on the workflow and click on turn on. You can see a pop-up. As you can see down, a workflow is turned on. So you just need to go back and see if this is working. As you can see, we miss you. The Winback customer is active now. That's all for today. Thank you.